In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export tickets from Freshdesk. We'll walk through the quick export from the ticket list, which is perfect for a one-time download of specific tickets, up to 15,000 records. This approach is fast, straightforward, and ideal when you need a snapshot of your data for reporting, audits, or sharing with your team. Start by heading to the Tickets tab in your Freshdesk workspace. On the right side of the screen, you'll see filters that help you narrow down exactly which tickets you want. Use these to define the scope of your export, like tickets closed in the last 30 days, tickets assigned to a certain group, or tickets with a particular status or tag. The more precise your filters, the cleaner and smaller your export will be, which helps you stay under the 15,000 record cap and speeds up processing. Once your list reflects the tickets you need, look to the top right of the page for the Export button. Click it to open the export settings. If you don't see the button, you may need the right permissions from your admin, but in most cases it's visible to agents who manage reports. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the fields you want to include. This is a key step. Choose only what you need to keep your file lean and easier to analyze. Common choices include ticket ID, subject, created date, requester information, status, and priority. If your team uses custom fields to capture details specific to your workflow, be sure to select those as well so the export reflects your full ticket context. Next, pick your file format. Choose CSV if you want a lightweight, widely compatible format that works well with spreadsheets, databases, and most analytics tools. Choose Excel if you prefer to open the file directly in spreadsheet software with native formatting. Either option contains the same data. It's just about what's most convenient for your workflow. When your fields and format look good, click Export. Freshdesk will process the request in the background and send a download link to the email address associated with your account. Processing time depends on how many tickets and fields you selected, so give it a moment. When the email arrives, open it and download your file. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. For best results, save the file in a secure, organized location and consider naming it with the date and filters you use so it's easy to reference later. And that's it, your targeted ticket data, exported quickly and ready